You set up your Artfully account and paid ticketing kit, created your events, and set up shows with ticket types. Now comes the fun part. There are 3 ways to sell tickets to your shows. Online through an automatically generated Artfully event storefront, online through a widget on your own website, or through the box office interface, which you can use at the door or with patrons purchasing over the phone. Let's start with the storefront, which you can access here under the Share and Sell menu. The storefront is a public page where your patrons can go to buy tickets to your events. The link is automatically created when you put tickets on sale and publish your shows, and you can post links to the storefront anywhere you are promoting your event online. The storefront gives patrons all the key information they'll need: the dates and times for each show, a description of the performance or event details, and your venue name and location and contact information along with the Google map. If you are set up to receive donations in addition to ticket sales, this Donate Now section will also appear. To install the widget on your own website, go back to the Share and Sell menu and select On Your Site. The widget is actually a snippet of computer programming code that creates a shopping cart and ticket selector on a page of your own website. So here's the widget generator. Before we go any further, a heads up about the widget tool. The widget tool generates the custom CSS and JavaScript code you need to install a ticketing and/or donation widget on your website. Since everyone's website is different, we have limited ability to help you install the code. If you have no idea what a head tag is or how to edit your markup, we suggest you call your website developer or make friends with one fast so that they can do this for you. Alright, now that you've been warned that widget installation is a bit tricky, I'll show you how Artfully generates the code for your widget. First, you'll answer these questions. You'll notice if you have both the paid ticketing and either sponsored donations or charity donations kits activated, you'll have the option to generate a widget that sells tickets, accepts donations, or both. After you select the Generate Widget button, you'll copy-paste this installation code into the head tag of your site. Then go back and copy-paste this display code wherever you want the actual ticketing or donation language to appear to your patrons on the page. The third way to sell tickets is with the box office. Each show you create has its own box office interface to sell tickets to that specific show date and time. You can get to the box office for your next show right here from the event dashboard. Or open a specific show and you'll find the box office interface on that show's overview. To complete the checkout process, a patron will come up to the door. You'll ask him how many tickets he wants and at which price. You'll ask his name, and if he's purchased a ticket before, his name will already be in your people records, and that will pop up automatically when you start typing his name. If you don't already have his name, you'll need to create a new person record with his name and email if he wants a receipt for his ticket purchase. But let's say he doesn't want a receipt and the line to purchase tickets is long and the show starts in 5 minutes. Just go right to payment. Their ticket purchase will just show up as anonymous in the door list. Use the cash payment option for tickets bought, obviously, with cash, or also to reserve free events in person or over the phone. If you have a USB-compatible credit card swiper, you'll be able to do that here, or otherwise, you can manually enter your credit card numbers. A quick note about comp tickets and people records. You'll probably want to make a people record and note the reason for the comp before checking them out. Otherwise, you'll have a bunch of anonymous people in your transaction records and door list who got free tickets. To finalize the sale, you'll click Checkout. Here's what the record of ticket sale looks like on an individual's people record. And here's an example of the emailed receipt every ticket buyer gets, whether they buy it through the storefront, through the widget, or at the box office. And that's how Artfully sells tickets. If you have any questions, you can link to our knowledge base in the Help drop-down menu here, or you can contact us at support@artful.ly.